Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. My dear Vascular colleague, I would like to introduce to you Vascular online training membership, which is a very useful tool to vascular trainee and many doctors as well. Vascular online training is a platform to prepare the vascular surgeon for future of vascular surgery challenges. It offers a great advantage to vascular surgeon over 6 levels. Level 1 loyalty badge, level 2 see all recent vascular congress in the last 5 years, level 3 see all videos and earn CME certification, level 4 see all videos, earn CME and get recent guideline, level 5 career advice, and last level 6 vascular case advice. This will prepare you for a good training to offer you an excellent consultant job. And the benefit of vascular online training, which will be watching more than 3,000 vascular and endovascular procedure, get OSCE training for preparing for exam, get surgical skills training courses, recent vascular guidelines, how to operate vascular procedure explained, and get more than 40 gigabytes of vascular and endovascular books, and lastly get a Harvard educational program. This is the advantage of the membership. And how to join: just one QR code with this link will make you able to join and choose between 6 levels of membership. I hope this platform, which is available 24/7, will be a helpful tool during your career, your exam, and your interviews, and getting the best jobs available. I wish you all the best. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon.